In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a customer request system in ClickUp. We'll build a clean, repeatable workflow so you can capture, categorize, track, and complete customer requests without anything slipping through the cracks. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and logging in. Either option works. The desktop app can be handy if you prefer focused notifications, while the browser is great for quick access across devices. Next, create a dedicated space to keep these requests separate from other work. Click Spaces. Choose Add Space and name it Customer Requests. In the setup options, make sure lists are enabled. This keeps your pipeline structured and easy to navigate as the requests grow. Inside that space, add folders to categorize the types of requests you receive. Create a Product Requests folder for suggestions or feedback about your products. Add a Service Requests folder for anything related to services you provide. And include a Support Requests folder for customer questions or issues. This simple grouping makes reporting and ownership straightforward. Within each folder, set up lists that represent your workflow stages. Create a new requests list for fresh submissions, an under review list for items your team is evaluating, an in progress list for work that's actively being handled, and a completed list for items that are done. With this pipeline in place, you'll always know what's coming in, what's being assessed, what's underway, and what's finished. Quick note before we continue. If you need the ClickUp website link or the app download link, I've placed both right at the top of the description so you can grab the version that suits you best. Now add a task for every individual request. Keep one request per task to avoid confusion. Clear examples include adding a new feature to a product, scheduling a service appointment, or responding to a customer support inquiry. Give each task a concise title and a short description of the request so anyone can understand it at a glance. Enhance tracking with custom fields. Add fields like customer name, priority, request type, status, assigned team member, and deadline. These fields allow you to sort, filter, and report effectively, and they make handoffs much smoother. Define your task statuses to mirror the flow: new, reviewing, in progress, and completed. Aligning your statuses with your lists keeps your board intuitive and helps your team update work consistently. Finally, monitor everything with dashboards. Use them to view all requests in one place, prioritize urgent items, and understand your team's workload. Simple charts and workload widgets give instant visibility and help you make decisions quickly. That's it. You now have a ClickUp system to track and manage customer requests efficiently, ensuring faster responses and organized workflows. Thanks for watching.